Okay, good day everyone. This is Total Investor here, your favorite YouTube investment channel. Uh, I'd like to present something that has not been getting a lot of publicity in the investment circles, if you will, on social media. I know that if you follow a lot of accounts on Twitter or Wall Street Bets or YouTube, there's a lot of talk about cryptocurrencies and even like the EV stocks. And nothing's wrong with that, but there's a lot of publicity there, a lot of money is going there, and there's very little talk about energy-related stocks, specifically with crude oil and even natural gas. I know that when I last presented one particular stock, this is going back several months. I think it was early November. XOP, that's the S&P oil and gas producers. It was trading at around $40, $45, low 40s, and it has since doubled. So it's a doubling, 100% return in 6 months. That's not bad for a relatively conservative investment. Okay, and I think that there's a lot more opportunity still further out. Okay, and there's one particular that I really like. It's a company called MEG Energy. It's MEG on Toronto. There is also, you can also trade in the US. That symbol would be MEGEF. Okay, that one would be in US dollars. The one that I'm going to be showing you is in Canadian funds. MEG is a $2 billion market cap. They have approximately 2 billion barrels of oil, proven and probable. So that's about $1 per barrel. It's very cheap. And last year's production was, I believe, about 82,000 barrels per day. And I believe that should be significantly more this year. One analyst in Canada who is following it, who believes that assuming that crude oil just stays at 60, and we're now above 60, this thing, he's got a target price of $10.80. Okay, so very reasonable. If crude oil goes above $70 for the rest of the year, he's got a target price of over $18. Okay, so this is a stock or a company that is highly leveraged to the price of crude oil. The stock going back to 2011 hit an all-time high of, I believe it was $53. Now, I'm not saying that's going to go back up to that level, but there is lots of opportunity here. Now, let's look at the chart. It gave its initial buy back here when it traded. This is going back to, mid-November. When it traded above the 10-day and the 50-day moving average, they both crossed. I was trading above that at around just under $3 per share. The RSI had also crossed above 50. And the DIs had crossed into bullish territory. So that was our buy signal. And it's been maintained as a buy all the way up until we peaked here and at around $8. If you notice here, the ADX line peaked, traded down. It traded below 10-day and even traded below the RSI crossed below 50. So if you had gotten out, you would have made money. If you're still in, fantastic. We see here that it found a support at around the $6 level. So if you were a long-term investor, you're just going to be buying it and holding it, you're still good. Right now, everything is still bullish. We got the RSI that crossed above 50. It's again trading above the 10-day and the 50-day moving averages. They're both sloping upwards. The DIs have crossed the bullish territory, and even the ADX line is like turning sloping upwards. So everything is a go from here. And it's looking like it's forming like a rounded bottom here. And I think that we could be easily seeing new recent highs, and that those targets that analyst came up with, I think they're very, very reasonable. So I like it. Again, having said that, don't take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial analyst. So I don't know you, so this is not investment advice. I think you already know that. So I show you the charts because it's more, this is something educational. And as I said, I think that there's lots of opportunity here. And if you have any questions regarding this particular company, any other company that you want me to look at for you, please put that into the comment section down below. I do read them. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more of these charts, and I will be posting more in the future, specifically with other energy related companies that I think have good upward upside, then please subscribe to the channel. That way you will be notified when I create those videos. Okay, just click on that red button that says subscribed and you're done and good to go. So with that, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.